he's lost a rear. Big high side.
He's all right.
You saw this. Digo, esto no es por placer.
Marquez wins! Back to back from the Repsol Honda rider. Oh, wow, dearie me.
Numb in the fingers.
Can't break.
Yeah.
No break.
Digo, esto es para ganar. Yo quiero volver arriba.
It's win number 86, and none will feel quite as good as this. One of the greatest comebacks in Grand Prix history is complete. 3 years after his last Sunday victory, all the blood, sweat and tears, all the surgeries, all the sacrifices have been worth it. The scars are still fresh, but the old magic is still there. What a moment for Marc Marquez.